The average man loses about 100 hairs every single day. Perhaps you've noticed it too. You wake up and see hair on your pillow, or your hands get filled with hair every time you shampoo. But the worst part is, you don't even know why it's happening. And if you don't address it now, just a few years from today, you might look like this. So, in this video, I'll show you 5 daily habits that are secretly destroying your hair and how to fix them fast. And if your hair fall is getting out of control, or you're starting to see bald spots, there's one homemade oiling method that can actually help grow them back. Let's start. 1. Night habits. Night habits. Most guys don't realize this, but the way you sleep can silently destroy your hair. There are 2 common mistakes that weaken your hair overnight. The first is sleeping with wet hair. Wet hairs are weak, and when you move your head on the pillow, it creates friction. That friction damages the outer layer of your hair and weakens the strands from the root. If you shower at night, always make sure your hair is at least 80% dry before you go to bed. Use a cool setting on your blow dryer for 2 or 3 minutes to remove excess moisture. The second mistake is using cotton pillowcases. Cotton absorbs your scalp's natural oils while you sleep, leaving your hair dry, frizzy, and prone to breakage. It also causes more friction as you move your head at night. The simple fix is switching to silk or satin pillowcases. They're smoother, help your hair retain moisture, and reduce friction. Try it for 1 week and you'll notice your hair feels softer in the morning. 2. Use the right hair oils. Most people use oil without noticing the real problem. Every oil has its own purpose. Some add shine, some reduce dandruff, and some help with growth. Let's go from the lightest to the strongest. Here are some oils with their main purpose, but the strongest one is rosemary oil. It is proven to give results as powerful as minoxidil when used regularly. But don't make these mistakes. Don't use too much oil on your hairs. It can cause dryness after overwashing, so 4 to 5 drops are enough. Don't sleep with oil in your hair. It clogs your follicles, which causes irritation, so 4 to 5 drops are enough. Massage your scalp before shampooing. Studies have shown that massaging before shampoo can increase your hair thickness by 8%. 3. Drying. Even drying hair needs attention. There are 2 hair drying mistakes that are costing you hair. First is harshly rubbing with a towel. The biggest mistake people make is harshly rubbing wet hair with a towel. This causes breakage and weakens roots over time. Instead, gently pat and press hair while drying with a towel. Best option: use a microfiber towel. It absorbs water better and prevents damage. Link is in the description. Second mistake is using a hairdryer. A hairdryer can be useful when you're in a hurry, but using it every day makes your hair thin and it also dries your scalp. And even if you're using it, then don't use hot air. Hot air completely destroys your hair and scalp. 4. Stop using harsh shampoos. Your shampoo might be the reason your hair keeps falling. Most regular shampoos have sulfates, strong chemicals that make a lot of foam but remove your scalp's natural oil. When that oil is gone, your hair becomes dry, weak, and rough. To fix this, switch to a sulfate-free shampoo and a mild conditioner. These clean your hair gently and keep it soft and shiny. Now about washing. How often you wash depends on your hair type. If you have curly hair, wash it 1 to 2 times a week. If it's wavy, wash it 2 to 3 times a week. If it's straight, 3 to 4 times a week is fine. But if you go to the gym or sweat every day, it's okay to wash daily. Just make sure you use a gentle daily use shampoo. When you wash your hair, focus on cleaning your scalp, not the ends. The ends don't get dirty, so don't scrub them. After shampoo, use conditioner only on the bottom half of your hair to keep it smooth and healthy. 5. Nutrition. It doesn't matter how much you wash from the outside. If your insides are weak and bad, then you'll have hair loss. Hair roots get their nutrition from food. If your diet is poor, no shampoo or oil will save your hair. Here are the nutrients that you need to make your hair healthy. Protein. Hair is 90% protein, and that protein is named keratin. If you lack protein, fix that first. Add foods like eggs, cheese, chicken, lentils, chickpeas, soy chunks. Eat 3 eggs for breakfast daily. Add chicken breast or fish 2 to 3 times a week if possible. Healthy fats. Fats keep the scalp naturally moisturized and hair shiny. Best sources are nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. Vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin A, C, E, zinc, and biotin. Here are the sources. For vitamin A, eat spinach, broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes. For vitamin C, eat oranges, amla, and lemon. Hydration and lifestyle. Drink 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. Hydration prevents dry scalp and dandruff. Sleep properly. Reduce stress. Stress directly triggers hair fall. Walk in nature for 5 minutes. It reduces your stress by 30%. Now here's one life-saving tip for you. It might sound weird, but onion juice really helps with regrowth. If your hair fall has gotten serious, then onion juice is a lifesaver. There's even a study from 2002 where men with bald spots used onion juice twice a day for 6 weeks. By the 4th week, 93% saw new hair growing back. Here's how to do it. Juice 1 onion and dip a cotton pad or towel in it. Dab it gently on the thin or bald areas of your scalp. Do this morning and night for at least 4 weeks. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse. Onion juice is full of sulfur and antioxidants that boost blood flow and wake up sleeping hair follicles. If you can't handle the smell, mix it with a little coconut oil or rose water. You'll start noticing tiny new hairs in a few weeks if you stay consistent. That's it. If you want more videos like this in the future, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon.